Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your carrier plan supports 5G and that the SIM is provisioned for it. Once done, make sure your Moto G85 is fully updated. Updates often add carrier profiles and stability fixes. Next, enable mobile data, open Settings Network and Internet, and select 5G or 5G Auto. Choose Auto for coverage handoffs. You do this now because a provisioned plan, current software, and the correct network mode are all required before testing speeds and coverage. You now verify APN values. Name, APN, MMSC, MCC, MNC match exactly to your carrier. Incorrect APN can block data over 5G. After that, make sure the phone isn't locked to 4G-only mode. Choose 5G/4G Auto or NR Preferred in preferred network type so the handset can use 5G when available. Then, use the phone's network or field test menu to inspect NR bands and signal strength. This helps you understand if you're on low band, mid band, or wave. You finish by testing. Run speed tests outdoors and indoors, near windows and in different rooms to map coverage. If the phone won't register on 5G, toggle airplane mode, restart the device, or reseat the SIM. These steps reset the radio and often fix registration issues. If problems persist, gather signal details and carrier band info, then contact support. They can check provisioning or network side blocks. A key tip: switching to 4G confirms whether the issue is 5G specific or general connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.